I'm now going to do the Z-axis end stop or limit switch. This is indicative of all of the 3 limit switches. One of the limit switches, the one for the X-axis, will have longer wires. I'm just going to strip these ends now. Give them a twist. And a tin. Now we're going to solder to these 2 outside pins. We've got a switch that can either be set to normal open or normal closed. Now we want it to be normal closed, which means the circuit is closed, and the switch opens to indicate that the end stop has been hit. That just means that if a wire breaks, that the axis won't move and won't destroy itself. So normal closed is this, normal open is this, and this is the COM peg on here. And I'm just going to grab this. This one. It'd be much easier with the clamp. Might even just hold that there, like this. They're done. Going to put a little bit of heat shrink on these. Push that on. The other end, get these little header pins. Another little squish. And for this one, we're going to use a 2-pin shroud. Just making sure it pushes all the way home. Okay. And that's done. Now I've just done the same for the X-axis and the Y-axis. The X-axis has a 500mm wire. So I'll just leave that tied up like that.